Welcome back. Fatorda MLA Vijai Sardessai has charged the former BJP MLA Damu Naik of corruption. He has alleged that Damu, along with the PWD, is involved in a fraud to the tune of 22 crores. Vijay claims that there is duplication of work in widening and hot mixing of a road in Fatorda. He has demanded a committee of experts to investigate into the matter. Damu Naik has refuted the charges.
दर्या डेपोजिट वर्काचो एस्टिमेट 3 कोटी रुपया दिला आणि 1 कोटीचेरूच टेंडर जाला म्हणजे 2 कोटी खंय तरी गेले मदीं सो सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क कंप्लीट करतात मुद्दाम सो दॅट इट इज रिपीटेड अगेन दिस डज नॉट ऑगर वेल फॉर दिस मीन्स दॅट द मनी इज बीइंग समवेअर गोइंग इनटू समबडीज पॉकेट्स and these are the works ex-MLA was involved in canvassing. So I suspect that money from this has gone into the election campaign.
Fatorda MLA Vijai Sardessai carried an inspection at Borda in his constituency. He claimed that there is duplication of works by the PWD. Sardessai claims a fraud to the tune of 22 crores. He has demanded a committee of experts to look into the matter.
The government makes a committee, especially the PWD minister, and goes through each of these estimates. Basically, makes an inquiry into the estimates. Because I suspect that 22 crores of rupees of the state exchequer is being wasted.
However, Damu Naik is annoyed with the charges of Vijay Sardessai. He has challenged that if the charges against him are proved right, then he will quit politics.
Allegation by म्हणता ते ताणे प्रूव करपाक जाय. तो आता हरोन जिखून हरला आणि हांव हरोन जिखला. सो ही जस्ट वॉन्ट टू malign my image ताणे प्रूव करचें. हांव जर खंयच्याय हातून जर भानगडीन आसा जाल्यार हांव राजकारणांतल्यानच संन्यास घेता आनी इन्क्वायरी जरूर करची.
A reporter from Margaon, Sameer Bhatt and Savio Dias.
MLA Kiran Karnolkar has assured to stop the mining traffic near a school in Asnora during the examination period of the students. Karnolkar says they would request the Chief Minister for a bypass road connecting Sirsai to Mulgaon.
प्रत्येक मायनिंगाच्या ट्रकाबद्दल ज्या लोकांच्यो कंप्लेनी आहा हेचेर आयज मेरेन कोणी अमल केल्ले ना. जे रुल्स आहा हायकोर्टान रुल्स घालून दिल्ले आहा ते फॉलो करिना अशें लोकांचें म्हणणें आसा. तेका लागून टील 31st मेरेन हांवें डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक सांगलेलें आहा जे भुरग्यांक हांगासर डेंजर पोजिशनान आहा केन्ना एक्सिडेंट कितेंय जावंक शकता. तेका लागून टील 31st मेरेन जी मायनिंग ट्रान्सपोर्ट आहा कंप्लीट बंद करचें.
Karnolkar says that they would request Chief Minister for a bypass road connecting Sirsai to Mulgaon.
बायपास थंयसर आता लोकांची मागणी आहा फुल असनडची मागणी आहा की बायपासाची. पण हो जो रोड केल्लो आहा हो आधी बानेकारान केल्लो आसलो आनी अर्दवट उरलेलो आहा. हो तो आपली जेटी मेरेन व्हरपाक सोदतालो कांय कारणांक लागून अर्दवट उरलेलो आहा. पण आमचो जो बायपास आहा जो आमी सिरसय टू मुळगांव हो प्रपोज केल्लो आहा आदीसून तेजे आता कितें स्टेटस आहा कितें पोजिशन आहा आमचो डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक सांगला आनी तेजे पोजिशन स्टेटस कळ्ळे उपरांत हांव सीएमा कडेन वचून जाता तितले बेगीन बायपास रोड करून घेतलो. कारण बायपास जालो जाल्यार आमची असनडची टोटल समस्या सुट्टा म्हणल्यार जाता. धुळीची ट्रॅफिकाची आनी जो आयज बाजारान जी गर्दी पडटा बाजारान लोकांक वाट ना उबो रावतले जाल्यार वाट ना ट्रॅफिकाक लागून ही समस्या सगळी सुट्टली आनी जाता तितलो बेगीन आमी सीएमाक सांगून हो बायपास करून घेतले.
तो रोड जो आसा पळय थंय सामकें एकदम कंजेशन जाल्लें आसा. थंय हेवी व्हेहिकल्स हेवी ट्रक्स आनी ते लोडेड विथ आयर्न ओर हे थंय पास जाता आनी आमी पळयलें की ताका लागून बरेचशें कंजेशन जाता. भुरग्यांकूय प्रॉब्लेम जाता ट्रान्सपोर्टाक ट्रॅफिकाक प्रॉब्लेम जाता. सो आमी एक डिसिजन घेतलां एज पर द रिक्वेस्ट ऑफ द हेड मिस्ट्रेस ऑफ सेंट क्लेरा हायस्कूल की हो ट्रान्सपोर्ट जो आसा पळय आयर्न ओर ट्रान्सपोर्ट हो will be restricted during the examination period. Accordingly, I am issuing orders to the Assistant Director as well as Traffic Cell.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Congress has managed to retain their Kepe municipality. Damu Naik has been elected unopposed as the chairperson of Kepe municipality. No confidence motion was passed against Manuel Colasso. The newly elected chairperson says development of Kepe market is his priority.
Election for the chairperson of Kepe municipality was held on Wednesday. Damu Naik was elected unopposed as a chairperson. He is from MLA Babu Kavrekar's panel.
मार्केट मोडलेले आहा
तो आमी सारको करपाक आतां फावंडेशन स्टोन बी घालून तो मार्केट बांदताले पूण तेंची वेवस्था करपा खातीर आमी सायडीन एक आमी जागो निवळ केल्ले कडेन आसा थंय आमी एक बारीकशें कंस्ट्रक्शन करून आमी तांकां शिफ्ट करतले.
No confidence motion was passed against former chairperson Manuel Culasso. He had contested assembly elections in KPM against Babu Kavadekar. Meanwhile, no confidence motion is passed against the vice chairperson of Bicholim municipality on Wednesday.
उपनगराध्यक्ष हेजेर अविश्वास ठराव सहमत जाल्लो 7-3 आनी आयच्यान खरेंच ही म्युनिसिपालिटी भाजपमय जाल्या अशें हांव जाहीर करतां. जे आमचेर आरोप केल्ले त्या आरोपाचें आमी खंडन केल्लेलें आसा, वेवस्थीत खंडन केल्लेलें आसा आनी ताका ज्या मनशान जेणे आमचेर अविश्वास ठरावलो ताका तेजी आमी कितें पात्रता ती दाखोवन दिल्ली आसा. कित्याक ताणी प्रत्येक वेळी भ्रश्टाचाराचे हेजेर तो खूब उलयतालो आनी जो मनीस भ्रश्टाचाराचेर उलोवपी भ्रश्ट लोकांक घेवन जेन्ना भोंवंक लागलो तेन्ना तेजी नैतीक कितें जबाबदारी आसली ती बिचोलच्या लोकांनी पळयल्लेली आसा.
Rukmi Dangi has been elected as a new chairperson of Ponda municipality on Wednesday. She got 7 votes in support out of total 13. BJP councillor Venkatesh Naik had also filed his nomination for the post. Bureau report, Prudent Media.
Ardor, a home for the most unique furniture woven from natural fibers, sculptured art and decor, is all set to make your home more adorable. It has been newly opened in Porvorim. Have a look.
It was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. One can find an exclusive sculptured art and decor, chandelier and home furnishings. It displays and depicts home decor collection that's unique. Bureau report, Prudent Media.
Time now for another short break. News from sports. When we come back, stay tuned.